Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to cover one of the great deals I found on Appsumo.com. Okay, so this software's name is Reelcraft, and today is on a great plan, great price of $59. Okay, for license for tier 1 you gotta pay $59, 119 for tier 2, and $299 for tier 3, and we will be covering the tiers just below in a minute. Okay, so but first and foremost, okay, so let's go quickly to see what the Reelcraft is. Okay, so Reelcraft is an AI tool which enables you to create a short-term content, like for TikTok purposes, for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's go quickly through the explanation of the software, which we can find on Appsumo.com. One thing which I want to also mention is while we are here, that this product has already 33 reviews, positive reviews, okay, which is a very, very good indicator that this software is of a good quality. Okay, so now let's go quickly through the sales page here. Okay, so its animation is a great way to tell stories until you get a quote from an animation artist. There you go. Since creating animation is such a difficult and technical process, it's impossible for individual creators to even get started, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the story is great, but on but what it leads us to the idea that to create those type of short form animations, you need to have some sort of skills. Okay, so you need to know how to go about and put everything together, come up with the idea, come up with the image assets. Okay, making all those edits and put it everything together, put the voiceover if not yours, so you have to find the voiceover on 11 Labs or anything any similar to that, put the captions, make everything nicely and tidy in CapCut or Filmora software. Okay, so it takes time and skills. Okay, if you have those, absolutely fantastic. Those skills are very in demand those days, so fair play to you, keep going. But even for the people who actually have those skills and know how to do it, they already know that this is a very time-consuming process. Okay, so the software like Reelcraft AI is actually helping out those type of creators to create those stories in a matter of minutes, instead of just spending hour up to 2 hours for creating one short story. Okay, so this is the whole idea. Here is a quick explanation. Create animated videos in seconds. All you have to do is type your story prompt, and Reelcraft generate a platform with a stunning animated video. No technical skills required. Okay, we will go into the software in a minute. Okay, let's quickly go through it till the end. Choose between high quality 4K slideshows or 3D animations to align with your topic. Access 7 AI animation styles. Upload your videos and any platforms. Obviously, you can also use your own assets if you have one. Okay, add realistic AI voiceovers, very important. You can choose between those voiceovers which they are already there, or you can actually place your own voiceover. Okay, so you can record it yourself and you just put that inside the platform, and based on that, the software will actually create the story with your voiceover on top of that. All right, so as I said, you'll be able to clone your own voice with AI with a quick upload of any audio recordings. Okay, so this software will allow you to do that as well. Okay, so now then, boost your engagement with captions and music. Choose a caption style, captivate the audience with background music. Music is also been added here, or you can add custom captions and music to your videos. You can also upload your own music if you have one, or you can do your own captions. Okay, so you can customize from start to finish, plus you can edit and you put your own asset if you wish to do so. Okay, scale your video content. Okay, Reelcraft lets you create stories, brief ideas, rough outlines, or full scripts to match your current workflows and speed up your video production. So you can preview your video on the storyboard, add, delete, and regenerate scenes. Okay, full customizations available here. Now, very important here. What are we gonna get when it comes to those pricings? Okay, that's why this deals, by the way, is ending in 4 days. So if some of you guys will be interesting, I highly encourage you to go into the Appsumo website and find for this deal, and it might be still available for you. At the moment, it's on the discounted price of minus 80%. Okay, it's a huge deal. So instead of paying $2.99, you'll be paying $59 once off. Okay, so let's go quickly through plans and features. So deal terms and conditions: lifetime access to Reelcraft, all product Future Pro Tier 1 or Business Tier 2 plan updates, all feature AI model updates. If plan name changes, deal will be mapped to the new plan name with accompanying updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. Okay, so there you go. If you want to choose tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3, okay. Ability to upgrade between 3 licenses tiers while the deal is available. You have to activate your license within the 60 days of purchase. Ability to downgrade between 3 licenses tiers within the 60 days of purchase. So it's also a very nice features. Let's say that you decided to go for tier 3, but then you're saying, hold on a second, I don't really need that much. Okay, within the 60 days, according to this point here, ability to downgrade between 3 licenses tiers within the 60 days of purchase. I understand that you actually can go back to tier 1. Okay, this is my understanding of this particular point. Okay, all Appsumo purchases are eligible to purchase additional credits at 50% discounts for 12 months following the campaign. All right, so this is also a very nice feature to have. Okay, features included all in plans: commercial license, free. So once you purchase it, you are free to post it on any social media network. You can do whatever you wish to do with this, with the videos which will come out of the software. No watermark access to all current and future AI models, 1 GB cloud storage, 3D animations models, YouTube and all other social media integrations, advanced options generator, user assets upload to 1 GB and download enabled. Okay, so as I said, like with all those, okay, once you purchase it, you are free to post it. You have you have commercial license to use the products being produced by the software. Basically, just read it as your videos on your TikTok, on your YouTube Shorts, on Instagram Reels, any other social platform you decided to use. Okay, so there you go. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. For Tier 1, one-time purchase, $59. All features above included: 250 credits per month, 10 GB storage, voice cloning up to 1 voice per month. Equivalently, for Tier 2 for $119, which is discounted from $499, 500 credits per month, 20 GB storage, up to 3 voices being cloned. White labeling, very important here. You also get a white labeling here. Okay, and license 3, discounting from $699 to $299, up to 3,000 credits per month, 50 gigabyte storage, voice cloning up to 5 voices, white labeling and pro mode, fully customizable storytelling. All right, so here's the pricing of the nutshell. I think it's a great deal, which ends up in 3 days, 23 hours and 45 minutes and so forth. So if you guys will be lucky, if you guys like this software, and you will actually be lucky enough to manage to get onto the Appsumo and purchase it within this time frame. Okay, I don't know when you're gonna be watching this video, but hopefully within the next 3 days. So this deal will be available for this type of pricing. Okay, so I highly encourage you to jump into the Appsumo. Look, even if you will decided to go later on, just go into the Appsumo. Appsumo is a great place to go and just search for similar deals. Okay, it's a great platform to use. All those products are high quality. Like I said, many people are having a good idea previously who used Appsumo, that those people actually pre-screening their softwares before they decided that they will be available here on the platform. So they are already in a high good quality and also in high demand. So like for example here, 33 very good reviews. It's an indicator that the software is quite good. Okay, now let's go quickly into the Reelcraft AI itself. Right, so here is the sales page. Let's go and see how many people is visiting this sales page on a sales page on a monthly basis. It's just over 51,000 people, right? It's a good indicator, and the traffic is going up and up and up. Okay, since May. So it looks like, guys, they got some traction here. More and more people are start using it. Okay, here's a quick sales page. It's showing you the example of those videos, which can be created here. Quick explanations. That's what we already covered, and there we go. So I think that's a very nice, nicely created sales page. Okay, so now let's go quickly and log in inside the studio and see how it works. Okay, so it's only took a couple of clicks using your email address, and you're already there. So we are here on the main page of the studio inside the Reelcraft AI application. A few things which we can do here. Okay, so there are feature videos already been created by the other users. We can go and check them. Featured shorts. Okay, so some of those shorts are already been created, and book reviews and wishes, and so all those assets already been created by the other users. All right, so now if you want to go ahead and start doing our own video, the simple as just put a simple prompt here and to decide what we want the video to be about. Our prompt doesn't have to be very, very precise if we don't have much of the specific details we want to have our video to be about. If you have just the idea, okay, I put it here like a basketball game, and I'm just wondering what this software will create for me. Okay, if I want to have a more specific prompt, there we go. You have up to 4,000 characters. You can actually do some short essay of what you're really expecting from this video to be created for you. However, if you just have like let's say something about the gardening, or let's say something about I don't know, playing tennis or basketball, but I just came up with the idea of basketball game. Okay, so we see how enough it is for this software to create us a decent content. All right, now then the next thing will be choose graphic styles. So we gotta, oh, by the way, guys, it's worth mentioning, okay, 4K animations, 3D. All right, so what's the difference here? 4K costs you 25 credits, 4K animation 50 credits, 3D animation 25 credits. And we need to go back here inside the tiers. So now we know that if we want to, if we purchase this $59 tier 1, that will comes with 250 credits per month. Okay, that's a lifetime deal, by the way. Okay, you purchase it once, but the month after month after month, you'll be renewed of 250 credits per month. All right, so it's not like you pay monthly, you pay once off, and you're getting this on a monthly basis going forward. This is a part of the Appsumo deal. All right, it's that's why the Appsumo software is being promoted on the Appsumo. So they are such a great deal, because if you find something which is really interesting for you, you can buy it by paying once off instead of buying monthly. Okay, and for you guys who actually are familiar with those softwares, they can get pricey. Okay, when you spending monthly paying them monthly. So if you find something which is on the one time purchase, like on the Appsumo, it might be a good idea to just jump on, because you will then have a 250 credits available, which will be enough for you to create 10 videos a month of the 4K images. Okay, those videos will be 4K images, or you can create 5 4K animations, but only 5. Or if you want to have a 3D animations, there will be 25 per credit, which also equivalent of 10 videos. All right, so if you spend for tier 1 $59, you get a month after month after month, you will have 250 credits. If you, however, will go for one-time purchase of $119 for tier 2, that will double. Okay, so you're gonna have a 20 videos of 4K 10 videos of 4K animations and 20 videos 3D animations on a monthly basis. Okay, that's how it works. So just for you guys to understand what those credits means. Okay, so as I said, some of you guys might already be familiar, some of you might not, but this is the part of the deal. Okay, we paying once off, and then you can use it over and over again, month after month after month, without paying anything additional. If you want to have more than that, obviously you just need to go and buy the additional license. If you want to have this, okay, double, for example, okay, you just have to do purchase of double. If you think will be for 250 credits will be fair enough for you, that's no problem. You just pay that and you don't have to pay more. So let's go back to our video. Okay, so let's go and click this 4K. That's fine. And then we can do the music. Okay, music, it can be done by our own music. As I said, we can do our own music. We can just upload that here, or we can just do it as a default. And I don't see the other options where you can add choose the music from, so probably will be generated by the AI, and we'll leave it as it is. Ratio 16:9, 9:16. Let's say that we want to create short form content. Voiceover, few voiceovers available here. Okay, let's stick to the by default. It was Rachel was choosing here, so let's leave it as it is. Content. Okay, so what type of content do we want to create? Okay, we want to concept explanations, stories, historical, travel blog, biography, wishes, quotes, thoughts, and so on and so forth. So it's giving us even an idea what type of short content we want to we want to use. Okay, we want to explain something, we want to tell a story, we want to just come up with some sort of historical data, short-term form content, travel blog, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's leave it as a concept explanation. All right, now style. Okay, here are a few styles available. Let's say that we want to stick with something which is more realistic. So I believe, yeah, there you go, here's a realistic style. And then visibility. Okay, if we want to go private, you have to purchase. All right, so everything what you will do, it will be visible here for everyone else. If you want to go and stay private, you want to have your videos to be private, you just have to go and purchase that software. All right, so there you go. That's the basic idea of the whole prompting and doing those initial settings. And now let's go and create this. Okay, it's select the video style. Perfect. We want to realistic once again. Now content style, concept explanation. So it's giving us additional features, additional settings. So it's saying like, are you sure you want to use the concept explanation? Yes, I am sure I want to do it. I choose it here. It's asking me again, but this is what I want to create. Okay, prompt type. Select prompt type. All right. And now transform to give you an idea into the script. Okay, so I think that's what we will be using. And why? Because if we don't change my script, remember I didn't put any script here because I just came up with a simple prompt of basketball game, and I was expecting for the software to create something for me. All right, so I want this simple idea of basketball game being transformed to give an idea into a script. All right. And if you, however, have a script, as I said, you've got 4,000 characters you can use. So you can put up to 4,000 characters, your prompt, and that prompt, let's say that you have a ready script. Either you want to, you know how to write it yourself, or you came up with something from ChatGPT, Claude, any other platform. You paste it here, but you don't want to do any changes. You just simply click on it, don't change my script, and it won't. All right, now enhance the rough sketch of the script. That's another option we can choose from. All right, but however here I would do transform the given idea into a script. And now let's click continue, and it's generating story for us. So now let's wait for a minute and see what the story will look like. Now I'm waiting for quite time now to get this video be done. So what I decided is just to show with you guys, what has been created so far. Okay, so we got the story. Okay, basketball is an existing sport where teamwork and collaboration are essential for success. Each player has a specific role, whether it's a shooting basket, defending, or as assisting teammates. Effective communication and understanding among players lead to coordinated plays and seamless transitions. By working together, teams can achieve victories and improve their skills. Basketball demonstrates the power of collective effort and the importance of every member in achieving the common goal. Okay, so here's the story. Okay, so as I said, like we only put the basketball game as a prompt, and it comes out with this story, which is great. So similar, like you could go to the ChatGPT, okay, and create it or you can create it your own, but this software did it for us. Now, after that, we went to the storyboard, okay, and we have already the images being created. So what we're gonna get out of this product is we're gonna get 4 scenes. Each scene has 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so we got a mix of images between the 3 and 2. Okay, so and each image has a prompt here. Okay, so you can see what has been done when it comes to the prompting. You either like it. If you don't like it, you can delete it and you can put this and you can edit it. Okay, however, to edit it, you just need to go ahead and start. I think you need to purchase it first.
Stresses the importance of teamwork and collaboration.
So now we hear the voice of this one of those voiceovers we choose from. Okay, here is another scene, still scene 1, image 2. Okay, another prompt, and so on and so forth. So we can go through all those scenes, right? So now this has all been created for us. Okay, the very last part, which I'm waiting to be done, is the software is actually putting everything together. And I have to be honest with you guys, it takes a bit of time. Okay, in comparison to other products which I was reviewing previously, this one it's taking it takes a bit of time. All right, so I was expecting this to be done sooner, but it doesn't mean that the final effect wouldn't be amazing. For example, so they might just put additional time to it, other because the servers are overwhelmed. Many people are using the software at the same time. That's why it slows down, which is obviously it can happen everywhere. Okay, it's no problem. Or they just put an additional touch on top of that where you can actually see, oh wow, this is really amazing. I'm just saying that I was reviewing previous products, and those products were actually doing those videos much quicker. Okay, I know that it's still in progress, but still not ready. Okay, but look, guys, the deal is still okay, $59, and you can have like 10 videos if you choose the 4K quality. And for some of you guys, might not be a really big deal that you need to be wait a bit longer. Okay, so it doesn't mean that it's a big selling point or something which you might, oh my god, it takes so long that I don't want to spend so much time on it. It's still better than you have to do, like maybe not better, but it's still quicker than you if you will do it on your own. Okay, unless you are very skilled and you're proficient with creating those type of short-term videos or by yourself. Okay, so once again, okay guys, this is the deal found on Appsumo. Go and check it on your own. If you like it, perfect. If you don't, you might go ahead, and I'm pretty sure you could find some other pretty amazing deals out there in Appsumo. It's an amazing place. A number of deals available on a daily basis, and it's really something which I would recommend to go and visit yourself, because let's say that you feel like, okay, Reels AI, this Reelcraft AI. Yeah, it's nice, but I'm looking for something different. I'm pretty sure you might be able to find it with a good pricing on it on the Appsumo.com. Okay, now I'm still waiting for this to be finalized, or it's on the final stage. Looks like it. I don't know. Shall we wait for another minute or two, or shall we just finish it now and move on? Okay, but look, it's nearly there, nearly nearly there, so let's wait for another 30 seconds. In the meantime, let's go back to the dashboard and see what the dashboard shows us. Okay, so yeah, so if you got a number of those videos here, it will be shown here. Plus you can click this new video option, and you go back to the drawing board where you can create those videos on your own. Okay, and then you have an asset, so whichever asset you actually put there, like you upload it, there you go, it's all gonna be there. You have your profile, you got the pricing, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this video, let's go and see it. No, it's still not ready. Okay, so it shows me it's still working in the background. So I think, guys, I will finish at this point. Okay, we know what has been created, so basically now it's going to be generating videos out of those images which were previously generated, plus the whole idea of the basketball game. Like, guys, thank you very much for watching. I'll be leaving below the link to the Appsumo itself. Go and browse it. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave it below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.